It is Christmas morning. Everyone's waking up late. But we need to get some workout in before the kids get up. Oh, I can hear the birds chirping. It is so cold outside. I'm surprised they're out. So I think it's 41 degrees or 45. You probably got to 45 now. That's Fahrenheit. So in Celsius, that's about 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. So for us Floridians, it is cold out here. And hold on. So I started a veggie garden. It's something very small. So I'm testing out things. I'm trying out a vertical planter as well as a regular raised garden bed, just to see how things grow in certain ones. And look at this, guys. My first broccoli. I've grown a broccoli. Look, there goes some more coming in right there. Some more right there. Oh, we have broccolis coming in, guys. And I made a mistake. The pepper here, this should not have been planted here because the broccoli is blocking all the light. So that's a bell pepper and it needs sun. So that's mistake number one. Here go the other bell pepper. This one is fighting for its life to come through and grow and get to the sun. I see a few peppers coming in right there. And this one's my cabbage. It's getting ready to fold in on itself. So I'm going to have some cabbage. I have no idea what this is. Okay, let me go to the gym and stop procrastinating. So here are the blue eggs I was telling you about yesterday. My husband got them, and I'm curious to see what they look like boiled. And this is a regular egg, so I'm going to use it for comparison. So I'm going to boil some eggs before we hit the gym, and let's see how it turns out. The shell looks a little bit blue. Look at the shell. It's actually blue. Look at that. It definitely looks blue. So that's the shell. So I want to cut. So this is the regular egg, and this is the blue egg. So let's cut it and see. Let's cut it this way. Ooh, look at that. I love it when the yolk is yellow. It doesn't have that not brown, but gray film around it. All right, let's cut this one. Let's see if it makes a difference. Huh. It is a difference. Wow. So it's not blue, but the yolk is more orange. You see it? If my mama should see me now, why are you playing with your food, girl? Is what she would say. So yellow, orange. So nothing blue about blue eggs, other than the shell. The shell looks a bit blue, but the actual egg itself, it's not blue. The yolk is more orange and more vibrant. All right, you see how I'm procrastinating? This is how I don't end up in the gym, guys. I'm here looking at eggs and cutting up eggs. We're going to the gym now. We need to do our leg day. Let's go. Okay, we made it to the gym, guys. Well, my garage. But today's leg day. Okay, so we're just gonna do some step ups. As I'm trying to start off slow, I'm not doing any crazy heavy weights because we don't want to be sore to the point where we can't come back again. So I don't have any weights. And these burn. Burn. Whoa. And I'm a bit wobbly. We did 12 on each leg. Oh, that burns. All right. So this is number 3. I think I got the hang of it. Come on. Come on. Oh, the legs burn. That's a fat melting off. It's the felt. Come on. Ooh, that burn. Looks like. Oh my God. We're only on exercise 1 and I'm dying. Okay. We can do this. Come on, we can do this. We got this. We did this before. Come on, we got this. I got this. Come on. Yeah. Okay, next workout, we're gonna do the squats on the Smith machine. Lego. All right, so we got squats. And it's only 10s, so we're starting low. My braids got caught in there. I need a ponytail holder for my hair. All right, come on, let's go. We don't need a ponytail holder. We can do this. 1, 2, 3. That's 10. And we're gonna do a superset. So we're gonna go straight into calf raises because we're gonna work these skinny calves. Ah, 15.
The next day.
So, today's Thursday. It's a complete different day. Day after Christmas. I was prepared to do a full body workout yesterday. That didn't happen. If you have kids, you know. Yeah. So I got the step-ups done yesterday, squats and calf raises. Just those 3 exercises. I was prepared to do a full lower body exercise. That didn't happen. Today, I am super sore. My abs hurt. My abs, it's most of my ab. The back is, little, you can tell that I did exercise on my back and my shoulder. Now, how about the first day, when I did back and biceps, I did a push-up. That was not a back exercise. I was asking Coach Bay and he was like, yeah, that's a chest exercise. So I'm like, great. Because I was going to do a chest today, but my chest is on fire. So I'm like, so because we done messed up everything up, we're going to make today a rest day, active rest, because I'm going to do cardio. I only have 800 steps. It's almost 4 p.m. So I'm going to get on treadmill. We need to get some steps in and get cardio going. Now, I'm also going to be, you guys remember my last video, like 2 videos ago, I did a vision board. It's on my tablet as well. And what I'm going to do is, do a calendar. I'm gonna do my I'm gonna start doing like a monthly calendar update, and I want to incorporate workout plans in it, because I think that's the problem, because I don't have a strict workout plan. Like on Mondays we're gonna do these exercises, because instead of coming in here and trying, okay, what to do next, I think that's the problem as well. So I'm gonna do an actual workout plan and like write down which one, because I'm still, as you can see, we're doing push-ups, which I promised you I could have sworn push-ups was a back exercise, but it's a chest exercise. Maybe it's both. So we're gonna write them down. We're gonna write down what we're going to do. So I'll probably upload my monthly planner reset month. I'm gonna call it something. So I'm gonna record that so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. And next week, New Year starts. I'm glad I'm making all these mistakes before we hit the ground running for New Year's. So yeah, we're gonna work that out and figure out what days we're gonna work. And right now I'm on vacation. I actually work out of the office. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I work out of home. I don't work at home. Like everyone now works at home, and I'm so jealous of you guys. I have to commute to the office. So there's that. And then I've actually started trying to work out before, and I figured out like working out after work doesn't work, because then I have to cook dinner, hang out. I have a lot of babies, so I have to hang out with the kids, get them ready for school. Well, not really get them ready because I have older ones, but there's mom stuff you have to do with your kids. So there's that, and your husband and all that. So the evening doesn't work. The evening is family time. Like there's just so much to do in the evening, and they have a busy schedule, whether it's basketball or something. You got to take them somewhere. So I'm going to have to get up early in the morning to work out. So I'm going to try and factor that in. The good news is I've been successfully waking up at 5 a.m. However, we haven't been exercising. I spent like an hour trying to wake up. Like I'm up. But yeah. So I did get on the treadmill a few times in the morning. So that's a plus. So when we go back to work, we're going to see how that schedule is going to go. But the goal is to try and get up at 5. And if I can get a routine in now before, like I said, I have next week and then the following week back to work. So we're going to see how that goes. So monthly planner. I'm going to jump on the treadmill and I'm going to start writing down some exercise and what workout split I should be doing. I think I'm going to stick with Monday, Tuesday, rest Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think it's a good workout plan, right? And even if I don't necessarily rest Wednesday, I will see. I'll figure it out. Because on the weekend, that's family. Since we're going to be working during the week, on the weekends, it's going to be family time and not core, but cardio. And I feel like I'm procrastinating now. So let me go get on my treadmill and get to walking. I wonder if I can do 10,000 steps. I think it's about 4 miles. So if I have something to keep me occupied, maybe that will work. We'll see. But yeah. All right, let's go. Ow, it hurts. Out. I cannot breathe. I cannot walk. We can walk, though. We can walk. The legs hurt a little bit. It's not dying pain. Listen, I have jumped back into exercise and I've been in like, oh my gosh, I'm dying pain before. This one is like, I'm sore. Not dying, but I'm sore. All right, so while I'm on here while I am on the treadmill, here's what I'm working on. Is my planner. It's not yet complete. I'm still adding stuff to it. I can see a monthly overview, or which I've actually started. So this one is actually January 1st starts on a Wednesday. So I started adding some things I want to do. And this planner is to Penly. So I'm using Penly app to do this planner. And like say for example January 1st, I want to add, I think I'm going to add the workouts down here. Like right here I'm going to make it like more of a gratitude journal. Just write down things almost like a traditional diary. Just write stuff down, priorities, meal plan, things to do and stuff like that. But I believe I'm going to be writing down my workouts on this page where it says notes. And as time goes along, I will customize it. And if I want to see the week, that's what the week looks like. If I want to see the month, I can go back to the month once I click on it. And I may just add pictures on the first page of each month. I'm not sure yet, we'll see. I have some books. I need to add the rest of my books on here. So I started reading ACOTAR a long time ago and I never finished the other series. So I just started Court of Mist and Fury. So I'm not finished with that yet. Keep Me. I should probably start rating them and see how much like stars I give them and stuff like that. I'm a very harsh critic when it comes to books because I've been reading for such a long time. So like some stories, sometimes I find them, they start off good and then I'm like, oh, the author should have did this and should have done that. So yeah. And this is pretty much the index of what's in there. There are additional index. I can see the entire year. If I click on, like, for example, if I go to January, because I'm at an angle, it's not pressed. If I go to January, it will take me to January directly. And if I go to, let's say we want to go to January 2nd, it will take me to January 2nd automatically. And there's some index of everything that's in there. So it's pretty cool. I like it. I actually have some stuff in December. Let me see. Because I have another one. Where's my December? I'm pretty sure my December is all over the place. I was trying to do that. Oh, this is my little chicken scratch of my Japanese vocab that I've been doing. And get that started. Because next year, the new year is literally here. It's like 2025, it's here. My birthdays already documented. I just want to fill in birthdays. I have a separate tab for birthdays as well. My 4-year-old, she added this rainbow. How cute is it? I didn't have the heart to take it out, so I left it in there. But I love like pastel colors, like pinks, blues, lavenders, and stuff like that. I love that. And I found this one is the one from the book, from the reading. Where is it? I have one. It was similar. It was a book in the background, but I thought it was so cute. I liked it. So that's why it's on there. So I need to finish filling everything up. But for January, I want to make sure I got January down pack as well as the first week, which is next week. So I'm going to do like a January overview. And then I'm going to make sure I have the first week. So I need to go shopping as well. So I need to get my meal plan done and all that. But yeah, I look at the purples. This is my other daughter's favorite color, purple, and I love purples. But my favorite color is pink. So there's a lot of pink in, but my girls like the pinks. And then my baby, she's 4, so she's into unicorn and rainbow. I don't know. There's a unicorn in here. I have no idea what the unicorn went. So, but I keep her little rainbow because every time she comes and look at it, she's like, oh. And you can resize them too. You can make them bigger. See? You can make them bigger. I think it's so cool. So I really love this app. Like I said, I had it since last year. The multicolor one came out for 2026. So that was pretty cool. So eventually it will get organized, but that's what I'm working on. Okay, so we did 71 minutes, 2.71 miles, 6,000 steps. We'll take it.